we experience bad things or uncomfortable situation. So today my story is will not be about how I went through the down, but how those incidents changed my perspective about life, and how it made me what I am today. So it all started in 12th. Life was going smooth, just like every 12th student. I had the goal that were predefined for me, like I know I need to go to IIT, and I need to do coaching for that. So I was doing that. I was I would say that I was a bit good student. I was good in sports also, and physics was my favorite subject. Why it was, I will come to that later. But life was going smooth, and I had things in my mind, like going to coaching and get selected to in some better institute to do engineering. When I look back, I do realize that at that point of age, our mindset is not that much developed. Like we don't think about, we don't take decision as thinking about ourselves. We are more of an influence by others, and doing things like that. So if all the students are doing preparing for IIT, so I didn't give it a thing that why should I don't do it. I just thought let's do that. And I think in that sense, life was going good, life was going smooth. There was a time when I got an opportunity to experience the Newton's first law of motion. And if you don't know what's that, I'll state that that an object remains in motion or in a static situation until or unless external force applied to it. So my life was also going smooth, and that's where I got an opportunity to experience that Newton's first law of motion. And there was a fine one day when I was coming back from school, planning my day in my head, like I'm going to get to my house and play some games, then went to coaching. And it was a fraction of a second when I met with a big casualty. It took some time to me to realize what happened, but as soon as I get conscious, there was it was just things were going so fast that 1 second I was laying down in a road, and the second moment I was in hospital, with all these fractures, and knowing that my left leg is got highly injured. Things did change from there for me, drastically. Like earlier I used to go to morning I used to go to the school, but now I have to go to the hospital. Earlier it was classrooms, but now it changed to the doctor's room. And earlier it was like to meet teachers and friends, but now it just doctors and nurses. And I think that situation did push me a bit back in my life, and I think it also gave me an opportunity to see, to see life in a different perspective. What I learned that, sometimes we do take life, in a very in a guaranteed way, things will flow, and we can plan things, maybe next day or maybe next day. We don't think that life is very unpredictable, and anything can happen to you, and at any stage. I think that was one realization that came to me when when this thing happened to me. And as I was in this situation, I asked myself, I do had those plans in my mind, going, like passing 12th, going to IIT and all those stuff. But I think what made me realize that it's now maybe I have two options. Maybe I just saw myself like things didn't happen to me, or maybe I should see it in it a way that whatever is in my hand, I should try to do something with it. So I think I took that time that I was asked to rest. I took that as an action plan, and I stated down few things, like and the first thing was the realization that with so much much of a short span of time, IIT is not going to happen. So instead of doing that, I think I should just I should figure out something, just pass my 12th and get into engineering something, because if that's not going to happen, I'm already behind. I already got pushed behind in life, and I don't think waiting more will be helpful in life. So I think that was a few learnings that I applied in life, and I think from there, whenever I got into situations where where there was two situations, like maybe complaining about it or doing something about it, I think I always choose to do something about it. And I think when I landed in TSDC also, I could see, people were complaining, what this college, there's nothing, it's in hills, it's in the village area, how things are going to be done. So they were complaining about it. And on the other hand, I was feeling blessed. At least I'm getting into some engineering college. I think this is my opportunity to, create a new chapter for my life. And same again, in second year, when my fellow mates were playing games or doing another stuff, I pushed myself to to enroll myself in a code track, which Colored Cow takes. And again and again, whenever life giving me an opportunity to choose between things, I was always pushing myself and getting into the things. Like when the pandemic hits, everyone get into their homes stuck and thinking that like life is going to stop. But as soon as I knew about the internship program in Colored Cow, I pushed myself, and I went and started a new journey from here. I think when I met you guys, I do realize, do get that understanding that how so far I've came in life with this perspective. I did get that understanding that I have to push myself more, and and so far things have been better, and things have from worst it came to the best. And I think I do realize that I need to push myself hard, and I think I should not wait for the life to again slap me and shook me up, and again the Newton's motion to apply in my life. I think I do realize that I need to work hard and get better to build my career. And also, while working with you guys, I also felt like, when I look back to this story, I initially, earlier I always used to state like, what happened and how it happened. But now what I want my stories to be like, how it created me and how I became what I became. So I think, yeah, that was all. I'm Gaurish Saini, and that was my story.
Stage seems to be on fire. I can clearly see the respect of the red carpet. This is the kind of a very good beginning. Forget about 50.